In this video, I'm going to show you a few example solves of the entire F2L. Okay, so in this video, I'll do a few F2L example solves. Again, I'll start out with 2 on white, and then I'll do 2 color neutral solves. This cross isn't the easiest of crosses. What I would do is F2, U prime, R prime, F, D prime, R, D2, like that. And in a cross such as that, I wasn't able to plan out a first F2L pair. But I'd probably do these two first. So split them up and then insert them into the back left, like that. After that, I would go and solve these two pieces, like that. And then I would solve these two. And it was really good there because I didn't have to rotate at all to solve these 3 F2L pairs. However, to solve this last one, I will have to rotate because the edge is back here like this. And I just simply insert it like that. And then it's done. So again, we'll solve it on white. I will do something like this. So we've got these two pieces, this one and this one. So we can do L, R, F, R2 to insert these 3 pieces. And then all we need to solve this one is do a D prime, R, D prime. And we noticed that before we did that, the L would actually move this corner into the top layer. And then we can bring it across here or bring it wherever we like. And doing a D prime, R, D prime won't affect these 2 pieces. So we can go in straight and then solve those 2 like that. After that, we can solve these 2, which fills our front 2 slots entirely like this. So we can shift them to the left and then probably solve these 2. Now we can choose to insert this pair in a few different ways. So we can do an R prime U2R like that. But that doesn't set up this pair to a nice case because this pair is back here like this. So we can do a U and then insert this pair, which splits up these 2, which is quite useful. And lastly, we insert this pair by bringing the corner on top and putting it in like that. So now for the fun part, the color neutral example solve. So this is my favorite. We can do a blue cross here, which is quite useful. We also notice that this blue F2L pair is up here in the top layer, and our unsolved cross pieces here are these 2. So we've already got these 2 solved by the scramble. If we do a U or a U2, either one of those is fine. It's probably better to do a U2 so that we can insert this one straight away after we solve the cross. And then we can do something like D2 R prime to solve this one, D to move this space over here, R2 D. And then I would just go ahead and solve this one like that. Now here we have a choice. We have this pair in the top layer and we also have this pair in the top layer. Now if we were to do a U and insert this pair by doing L prime U2 L and then inserting it, that would actually bring this pair into this slot with the edge flipped, which is a really bad case. So instead of solving these 2 like that, we'll choose to solve these 2 first. So doing an L prime U2 L and then inserting it actually pairs up this F2L pair. So that's a little bit of multi-slotting. And now notice that when we insert this F2L pair, the other 2 over here won't move because it's just R, U prime, R prime, like that. And then we can go straight in and solve those 2 afterwards. So here's another scramble and we'll do color neutral again. And I think a nice cross to do in this case is green. Noticing that we have this F2L pair already formed and the corresponding edge is over here that belongs down here, we can do something like this. So we can do a U2 and then R, U2, R to actually insert that F2L pair and make this 2 by 2 by 2 block. And then we can finish off the green cross by doing U to move this one up here, then F prime, R prime, F, like that. And you probably want to actually plan out those 2 pieces in inspection as well. Now we'll go ahead and insert these 2 into the back here, noticing that the first move, R prime, to solve these 2 actually joins up this pair in the back here. So we can do that, like that. Then we can either rotate and solve this one, or we can do like that to insert it. And then our last F2L pair are these 2. So we can insert that in a few different ways. I would probably do it like that.